Jeff at Tri-State Bobcat in Hudson, Wisconsin. Here we go with the Bobcat S130 skid steer loader. You know, for general tasks, material moving, snow, dirt, mulch, this is a nice compact machine that'll get the job done. Radius lift boom, new tires, standard Bobcat plate, auxiliary hydraulics, cab with heat, comfortable all year round. Overall, just a real nice machine. Sports new white paint. Got a 4-cylinder Kubota diesel. This is non-turbo. Very simple, easy to operate, easy to maintain. You can just see your filters. You got your hydraulic, your oil, your fuel, your starter, your battery, your air cleaner, radiators overhead. Got some rear door weights in it to give it a little more ballast. As we said, just a nice clean machine. Paint was all scratched up, so we had that taken off and rust preventative put on and primed and painted. We'll go through the machine just to make sure everything's good. Standard Bobcat controls, levers to steer, foot pedals for bucket and boom. Door is in excellent condition. We will put a new bucket on the machine. No codes, 1,400 hours. There's your cab with heat. Key start. Single cylinder in the front. Just a nice machine. You know, when you got to get into a compact spot, the S130 is the machine for you. The reason being, there's still enough weight on this machine to do some digging. We'll put a link in with the specs as far as boom height and that kind of thing. But anyway, cab heat, 1,400 hours, just a nice clean machine. Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin. Give Jeff a call, 715-781-3940 on this Bobcat S130 skid steer loader. Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin, 715-781-3940. Thank you.